This video will teach you about catheter drains and tube documentation within the peri-op document. This segment is where you will document the insertion and removal of the Foley catheter, any drains or tubes placed during the procedure. Document the appropriate information in the same manner as in previous segments. Type in the catheter name and search or use the drop-downs for choices. Be sure to fill out all pages and chart if the outcome was met. Note, this information does not flow to PACU. You must give a verbal report. Also, if there is more than one drain, choose Add and repeat the process as needed for each drain. Be sure to fill out all pages and chart if the outcome was met. Note, when you place or remove a Foley catheter or place a wound vac, you must order it from the Orders tab. Refer to the Orders tutorial from the One Chart Basic Nursing module on HealthStream. Also, this information does not flow into PACU. Give a verbal report. If you do not perform a catheter discontinuation order, anesthesia will receive an error as they document when it was removed as well. Choose Next to save and move to the next segment. This concludes the catheter drains and tubes segment video.